Welcome to Lesson 95. Our learning targets for today are: I can read silly CVCE and two-syllable words, and I can spell CVCE, two-syllable, and high-frequency words. Gather round together, together, together. Gather round together to read silly words. They may sound a little strange, strange, strange. They may sound a little strange, 'cause that's how they're arranged. We're going to practice reading words, but they aren't normal words. They are silly make-believe words. Even though this is a silly word and we don't know what it means, we can still read it. We can read it because we know the sounds that each letter makes. You ready? Let's look at our first silly word. How would you decode this silly word? Remember, look for parts that you know from other words. Great. Incobe. Did you see the little word in at the beginning? And maybe you decoded this last part because you saw a silent E that makes the O say O. Incobe. How would you read this silly word? Remember, look for parts you know from other words. Zenfute. Great reading. How would you decode this silly word? Mape hat. Did you see the word hat? And maybe you looked at this first part. You might have seen the word ape. You might have also used that silent magic E to make the A say A. Great reading. Now let's all spell words, spell words, spell words. Now let's all spell words in ways that we know. It's time to be silly, be silly, be silly. It's time to show how silly we can be when we spell. So we just practiced reading words in a fun way, and now we'll practice spelling words in a fun way. Get ready with your paper and pencil. Listen. Pine cone. Say pine cone. Spell it ketchup style. Pinecone. Write it. Check it. Listen. Became. Say became. Spell it explosion style. Became. Write it. Check it. Next word. Inside. Say inside. Spell it chicken style. Inside. Write it. Check it. Last word. Baseball. Say baseball. Spell it opera style. Baseball. Write it. Check it. It's time to spell and decode to show what we're learning. It's time to spell and decode to show what we've learned. Get your paper ready. I will say 10 words. Spell them on your paper as best as you can. If you need more time, please pause the video. At the end, you will check your work. Number 1, made. Made. My father made pizza for dinner. Made. Number 2, time. Time. Is it time to play outside? Time. Number 3, cute. Cute. That little kitten is very cute. Cute. Number 4, broke. Broke. The crayon broke when I colored too hard. Broke. Number 5, tadpole. Tadpole. A tadpole is a young frog. Tadpole. Number 6, lifetime. Lifetime. The baseball player scored 100 home runs in his lifetime. Lifetime. Number 7, before. Before. What will you do before dinner? Before. Number 8, wishbone. Wishbone. We broke the wishbone in half. Wishbone. Number 9, bagpipe. Bagpipe. I heard a bagpipe in the parade. Bagpipe. Number 10, landslide. Landslide. A landslide can move slowly or quickly. Landslide. Great job! Now it's time to check your words. Remember that you can use this to help you set goals for your reading and spelling. Please pause the video to check your spelling. Let's take a moment to reflect on our learning today. What did you do today to become a better reader? Today, you used everything you've been working on to read silly words and to spell new words. You also spelled 10 words on your paper and checked your work to set a goal for your reading and spelling. Keep up the good work, and I'll see you next time.